first main last question is to okay 16 by 3 is to next 20 by 3. When there are two terms, cross multiply. When there are three terms, take LCM. What's the LCM? 15. Multiply 15 with all three. 15 is 2 and is 2. Okay, tell me the answer, students. 3. So what do we have? So 48 is to 80 is to 100, right? 100. And when it comes to ratio, it is all about reducing to the lowest term. See, if there are two values, how do you reduce this to the lowest term? If 10 is to, say 18 is given, how do you reduce to lowest term? You divide them and reduce it to 5 and 2, 9. But here there are three terms. You can't write one below the other like this. Okay, you can't do it like this. Instead of this, you can just reduce it. You can just cancel it out. Common table. What is the common table? 2 goes in this side. 2 into 24, 40 and 2 into, and you can reduce it further. 2, 12, 25. It's revision. If you want, you write it or just go through. Amani, did you understand? Okay, 12. I don't think you can reduce it for the students. Next question. Take LCM, reduce it. Next one. Arrange the following order. Second main. Second main. You all try this. Second main, fifth question. 1 year, 9 months. Convert this. 2 year, 4 months. Try this, students. Be quick. Okay. Explain, Shasha. How do you convert it? Okay. 12 plus. Okay. Next. 2 into. Okay. You can write 2 into 12 plus 4 months. So 12 plus 9 is to 24 plus 4, 28. We have only two terms, students. See, there is no specific what do you call rule. You can write it like this down and reduce it, or you can just reduce it directly. For ratio, you can reduce it. M and M gets cancelled. How many times it goes? 7 threes are. That's it. You can even cancel it like this. Or if you want, show the calculation 21M divided by 28M. Even this is fine. You get same. 3 is to 4 is the answer. Good. Next. Which ratio is greater? We'll do one which ratio is greater question. See, ratio here, two questions are given, students. Separate question. I want you all to solve third main, second one. All of you try third main. 3 2s are 6, 7 by 3 is 2, 3 3s are 9, 10 by 3. Or 3.6, remove the decimal, 36 by 10 is to 48 by 10. How do you solve when two values are given, students? It's a separate question. Yes, cross multiply. Okay, what about Amani completed? Andrea Amani. How do you solve, students? Cross multiply. And one more thing, remember this, whenever denominator is same. See, if you cross multiply 7 into 3, 10 into 3, then how do you solve this? When there are two values, you have to bring it down, right? Correct? When you see the denominators are same, 3 and 3 denominators are same. If denominators are same, it gets cancelled, students. We could have directly cancelled it here. Remember this concept. Okay, if denominators are same, we can directly cancel. You don't have to take LCM or cross multiply. What about here? Can you tell me the value? Can I cancel 10 and 10? So what do you get on the left hand side? 7 by 10. Or this side? 36 by 48. Further reduce this 36 by 48. 4 nines are? Yes. 9 by 12. Next, 3 by 4. Is it possible to see which is greater? See, 7 and 3. Which is greater than 7 and 3, students? 7 is greater. But here we have denominator. If denominator is there, you can't check which is greater, right? So how do you eliminate the denominator of both? How do you, yeah, you take LCM or just cross multiply. Even here you can cross multiply. What is 7 fours are? 28. What is 3 tens are? 30. Reduce it. If you reduce, what do you get? 2 14s are or 15. Which is greater, 14 or 15? Or you can even compare here. See, in the second step itself, the denominator is gone. 28 is to 30. We no more have the denominator, right? So 28 is to 30. 30 is greater, students. If 30 is greater, then which question is greater? First part or second part of the question? Second part. What is given in the question second part? 3.6 is to 4.8. Make a note. Anything is fine, students. You can even take LCM or cross multiply and complete the answer. Anything is fine. Okay, we solve one. Next, arrange in ascending order. From small to big, we need to arrange. Same thing. Eliminate the denominator. Eliminate. Fourth main first question. Look at fourth main first one. 2 by 3, comma 5 by 9, comma 11 by 15. There are three values. If just 2, 5, 11 is given, how do you arrange them in order? I mean, let me write 12, 5, and 11. How do you arrange in ascending order, students? With 5, 11, 12, it is easy. The reason it didn't have any denominator, right? It didn't have denominator. The main concept of ratio is eliminate the denominator, reduce it. Even proportion, it's the same concept. Okay, first question. Take LCM for 3, 9, and 15. 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. Yes, 45. Multiply. As soon as you take LCM, any question, mathematics, any chapter, same, LCM is same. 2 by 3 into 45, comma. 9 by 5 by 9 into 45. Okay. Amani completed? Okay, next. Yeah, explain Amani. How many times 15 goes in 45? Can you respond? Unmute the call. You can reduce even using 5 times table, Amani. See, why you're not responding? Can you unmute? She's left. Okay. Both of you will tell me. Andre and Shash, how many times 15 goes? Okay, 3 and 9. Next, 3 ones are 3. 3s are right. So what is left? 30. Anything common? No, right? Okay. Now, you don't have to arrange this, students. If you write 25, 30, 33, there's no point in arranging this. You have to arrange the original question. For 25, which is the smaller one? 5, 9, comma. Next one, 2 is to 3. Then 11 is to 15. 5 or 15? 15. These are the answers. I mean, this is the answer. Next, ratio. Ratio, do you know how to solve ratio? Okay. Yeah, we'll do the sixth question, student. Sixth question. You have to divide 3, 7, 2, 6. Shasha, you should do it in the way I teach. You're doing it in some different order and not able to get the answer. Main concept. Sixth question. Look at the sixth one. A, B, C is given, students. 3 values. What are the ratios? 1 by 4 is to 2 by 5 is to, sorry, 1 by 3. We are doing the sixth one. 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4 is to 1 by 6. First, find their else. What's the first step, Shasha? What do we do? Whenever ratio is given, eliminate the denominator. How do you eliminate this? Yes, tell me the value. No, no, no. 3 ones. Oh, sorry. Correct. 3. Next. 2, 1. Okay. What's the LCM? 3 twos are 6. 6 twos are 12. Then multiply with 12. Hmm. What's the answer? 4, 2. So what's the ratio? You have to write it, students. Ratio of ABC is equals to 4 is to 3 is to 2. Then below that, what is the total value? Total ratio is equals to, just a minute. Yeah, total ratio is equals to 9. 9. Then what is A share? How do you calculate A share, students? Convert numerator by denominator. What is A's value? 4 divided by into 2. Yeah. Calculate A's, B's and C. Complete this, students. Yeah, tell me the answer, Sasha. What about others? Andrea and Amani complete one. Just a minute. 1 6. Why Amani is not replying? Are you solving, writing it? Yeah, tell me, Amani, what did you get? See, first reduce 9 and 9 with the students. 9 fours are 36. Next, 9 ones are 9. 414, right? 4 into 414. How much is 4 into 414? 1656. B share 124. 1242. See, if you reduce 9, you still go with the same value. You get same value. 2 by 9. Again, what's the value? 828. This is the answer. Let them give any question, a ratio question, whether 2 members, 3 members, 4 members. This is the standard concept, students. Take LCM. We take LCM to eliminate denominator. Take LCM to eliminate denominator. Once you eliminate the denominator, you have to add the ratio. Add. After adding, this is the last step, fourth step. Convert in convert in fraction form. Okay, that's it. Ratio is all about this, students. Reduce LCM. That's it. Next, proportion. Proportion is also same. If you have understood ratio, proportion is also the same. Okay, for proportion, I taught you only one concept, students. How many terms should be there? Whenever you see proportion question, total there should be 4 terms. This is the 4 term. They'll give you comma. If they don't give comma, they'll give is to symbol. How do you write this? A is to B is equals to C is to D. Then there's only one formula. Product of mean is equals to product of extreme. That's it. Any question, we solve it in this order. Product of mean is equals to product. Look at first main. But make sure their LCM is same, students. Their LCM, look at first main, last one. 6.5 kilometer is to 2.6 kilometers is equals to rupees 60. Not LCM. Unit should be same. Okay, what is the unit here in the first main? What's the unit for both? And for the second one? Rupees. If the units are different, one has kilometer, the other one has rupees. You can't use product of mean and extreme. Use normal ratio method. 6.5. Write it as 65 divided by 10. Then for ratio, what sign do we put? Divided by 26 divided by 10. How do you write this, students? How do you write when two denominators are given? Okay, if you're getting confused like this ratio symbol looks like what? Ratio symbol looks like division 26 by 10. You will know this rule. Whenever division is given, how do you convert it to multiplication? You put multiplication sign, and what happens to 26 by 10? It becomes 10 by, very good. Reciprocate the value. Yeah, I think I've taught all this concept. Division is given, convert into multiplication, only then you can cancel it. You can't cancel directly. 65 divided by 10 multiplied by 10 divided by 26. 10 gets cancelled. Next, any value? Anything common to them? 65 and 26. 11, try 11, 12. See, if you're feeling difficult, factorize 65, students. What do you get for 65? 5 into 5 into what? Yes, look here. 5 into 13. Yes. Okay, fine. You can leave, Shasha. Go through the recording and do the test tomorrow. You can leave. Okay, fine. Next, others, Amani and Andrea. 65 by 10 students. Look here. What is 65? 5 into 13. What is 10? 5 into 2 or 2 into 5. Which one gets cancelled? So what is left? 13 by 2 is equals to right hand side 60 divided by 64. I mean 24. Rupee symbol will get cancelled. How many times 60 goes in 24? I mean common table. Yeah, 212. Next. Okay, let me take 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are. Is it correct? Amani, did you understand? 5 by 12. Do you all think it is same? Is it same students? And actually, I made a mistake here. Is it? It is same. After reducing, what do we have? Yes, 13 by 2. No, it's not 13 by 2. 5 into 13, and I made a mistake here. What is the factor of 26 students? What is the factor of 26? 65 by 26. This was left, right? This was left. Okay, for 65 written 5 into 13. What about 26? 26 is 2 into 13. Yeah, it is not 5 into 13. I made a mistake. Which one gets cancelled? What is left? 5. Both are same. So the question is we have to show whether it is proportionate or not. If they are same, they are proportion. So just go through or make a note. Fine. Next. Second main. Check whether the number or proportion. From second main onwards, there's only one concept, students. Product of mean is equals to product of extreme. Any question, use the same concept. I'm going to skip the second main. Okay. Then I had given you a few alphabets. I mean formulas. If you need to find the value of x, same concept, right? Do you remember second and third main? Yes, same concept. Product of mean is equals to product of extreme. Okay, Amani, can you respond? Are you there online? Yeah, respond, Amani. Unmute and respond. Do you know this fourth main? Fourth proportion. What do you mean by fourth proportion? How many values will be given? Only? What do you take the fourth one as? X. Then what is the formula we use? No, no. Formula. Product of mean is equals to product of mean is equal to what? Product of extreme. Why, Amani? Why are you not answering? No, formula. You know how to do formula. Both are same, Amani. Both are same. What is the formula we use? Product of mean is equals to product of extreme. Where is x? X is in mean position or extreme position? Very good. So first write product of extreme is equals to product of mean. Multiply product of extreme. What do you get? A into x is equals to. Very good. How do you find the value of x fourth term? BC divided by. Understood the formula? If you want, you do the formula, Mani. If not, you can do it directly. No problem. Okay. Now, which question? Let us try fourth main, third question, students. Look at third question. What is A value in fourth main, third one? Okay, convert it, convert it. 5, 7 ones are 7, 12 by 5. What is B value? 7, 7. Okay, next. What is B value, students? 2 14s are 28, 29, 30, 31 by, and C value 17 or 18? 18 by 5. Okay, now look here. Only one question. I'll show you all using the formula as well as normal method. A, B, and C. There are three values given, students. So if you want, use the formula method. If not, 12 by 7 is to 31 by 14 is equals to 18 by 5. Fourth term we don't know, we take it as x. Then, how do you solve this question? First, let us use formula method. What is the formula required? X is equals to B into C. What is B? 31 by 14 into 18 by 5. Is it clear? Then divided by how much, students? Divided by what? Divided by, can I write 12 by 7 like this? Divide, is it same? See, if I write A divided by B or A divided by B, is there any difference? So both are, okay, what happens to division sign? What happens to division? Yes, multiplication. So until you convert it, don't cancel it, students. What do you get? 31 by 14 into 18 by 5. And when you reciprocate, what do you get? 7 by 12. Okay, 7 ones are 7, 2s are 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are. So what's the answer? X is equals to, where did we go wrong? 31, 14. Yeah, it is correct. What's the value, students? 93 divided by, yes, respond. 93 divided by 20, right? 20. This is the answer. Is it clear? 93 divided by 20. Let us check whether we are getting same answer. This is using formula. I would better I would suggest you all to better try direct method. Direct. Okay. Amani, now you tell me, Amani, how do you use direct method? Which two you have to multiply? The first two, the first and last, and second and third, right? Okay. When you multiply first and last, what do you get? 12 by 7x is equal to, very good. What happens to 12 by 7 if it goes to the other side? No, multiplication. That's what. What happens to 12 and 7? Into, very good. Can you see both the steps are same? They are almost the same. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. 6 threes are 18, 6 twos are. Are we getting the same answer? Yeah. Fourth term is 93 is to 20, students. That's the fourth term. Okay, 93 is to 20. Where is this question? Is it given in whole number or mixed fraction? The main question. Fourth mixed fraction. So the fourth term, you shouldn't write x, you should write like this. Fourth term, if you convert this into mixed fraction, you'll get 4 3 by 20. 4 13 by 20 is the answer, students. Okay, 4 13 by. Then you can just leave it as it is, 93 by 20. Okay. Any doubts? Both of you understood? And Andrea, you understood how to derive the formulas and solve? Okay, fine. I'll be doing direct method, students. Look here. Fifth main, one question. Which question shall we do? Fifth main. Tell me, which one shall we solve? Fifth main. Our last one. 3 1 by 2 is given. How do you convert 3 1 by 2? 7 by 2, comma 8 3 by 4. What is 8 3 by 4? 8 3s are 24. Next. 27 4. Yes. 27 by 4. We have only two terms. Which term we need to find? Third term. Amani, what should I take the third term as? No, no, no. Third term. First, we'll start from the basic. Third term is not given. What do you take the third term? Very good. Unknown values. See, if you're silent, you're not able to solve Amani. Only if you answer, you'll understand. Okay. Now only three terms are there. How do you solve when three terms are there? Which term you have to split? The middle term into how many parts? Two parts. 27 by 4 is equals to 27 by 4 is to multiply product of mean is equals to product of extreme Amani. 7 by 2x is equal to what? Respond. 27 by 4 into. Okay, what happens to 7 by 2 students? 2 by 7. We made a mistake here. How much is 8 fours? How much is 8 fours? 32 plus 3? 30, 35 by 4, right? 35 by 4 students. 35, 35. So x is equals to 35 by 4 into 35 by 4. 2 by 7 becomes 7 by 2 becomes 2 by 7. Yes, now it is correct. Reduce it. 7 ones are 7. 5 are 2 ones are 2. 2s are. You can't reduce 2 ones are to 2s are. Is it correct? Can you reduce it like this? No, that is not possible. Next. Tell me the next one. 4 2s are 8 students. 35 into 5. Okay, I'll write. 25. 3 5s are 15. 175 by 8. What's the answer in textbook? Is it next fraction? Okay, mixed fraction. What's the answer? Is it correct? 2015 by 8 is the answer, students. 2015 by 8. Third proportion is also done. Third proportion. Amani completed, understood? Okay, tell me the last one, Amani. Mean proportion. What do you mean by mean proportion? Mean meaning is? Okay, which question shall we solve? Pick any one question. 6 main. Be quick. Tell me which one you see you feel it would be tough. Which question? What one? Okay, 1.25 is given. How do you convert 1.25? 125 by 100, comma 0.45 is given. How do you convert 0.45? 100. Mean proportion. Mean meaning is middle. In the middle, you should add a value. What value should I add? What's the unknown value? X, right? X. Okay, I put X in the between students, mean. But we have only three terms. Now tell me which one you have to convert into two. Which one? X, right? X has to be split into two parts. Okay, product of mean is X into X is X square. Product of extreme is 125 by 100 into 45 by 100. You can reduce it. Before shifting, reduce 25. 125 and 100. How many times can we reduce it, students? 5 into 25, 5 into 20. 5 5s are 5, 4s are. Is it clear? Next, 45 by 100. How much is 45 by 100, students? Yes, 9 divided by 20. Can we further reduce 5 ones are, 5 fours are? Okay, now x square. What happens to square if it goes to the other side? Root. 9 divided by, instead of 16, can I write 4 into 4 as it is? How can I write 9 when you factorize? Okay, how many values do we take out? 1, 1 from each. Very good. 3 divided by 4. How much is 3 divided by 4, students? 3 is greater. 3 is smaller. It should be inside numerator. 0. 4 sevens are 28. Remainder 2. Add another 0. 4 fives are 20. What's the answer? 0.75. How can it be 75? 0.75, right? There might be some mistake. Printing mistake. It is now. Can it be just 75? Which question? 125 divided by 100. 45 divided by 100. Okay. 125, 100, 45 by 100. 5 by 4 is correct. 9 by 20 is also fine. 9 by 16. No, there might be some mistake. Which question is that? Sixth and fourth one. It has to be 0.75, Andrea. Where did we go wrong? Everything is correct, right? There is a printing mistake in textbook, I think. It should be 0.75. That's it, students. What problem? I'll solve any one question. We'll end the class. Yes. Fine, fine, Amani, you can leave. Done. Okay. Last word problem. Tell me one word problem. Yes. Tell me. Oh, okay. 11th question. What should be subtracted? Which one you want to solve, Andrea? Okay. Confusion. Okay. How do you solve the 11th one? See, for 11th one, you can't use formula. For word problems, you can't use formula. Okay. That's the reason I didn't teach formula, Andrea. Word problems we can't use. Look here. 11 by 41 minus x and 55 minus x. Okay. So this you can write is to. Remove the commas, you can write it like this. Next. There are two ways to write. In textbook, they've given these two. These two are ratio, right? 41 minus x divided by 55 is equals to 36 minus x divided by Okay. Then how do you solve when denominators are there? Up to cross multiply. You can't take LCM here. What do you get? Hmm. Next. This is the way they've given in textbook, right? One step extra, Andrea. One step. This is given in textbook. We could directly get this step. How do you solve? What is product of extreme? Can you tell product of extreme? Are we getting this step? Directly this step? Or you can even do it like this. So from the beginning, I'm teaching only one method. Product of mean is equals to product of extreme. Next, 55 minus x into. Okay, now how do you solve this? See, do it step by step. You're doing it separately, Andrea. I saw your question. You're doing it separately. That's the reason you're getting confused. Do it in that one single line. How do you solve this? 41 into. No, no, not x. Like this. 48. Or if you're getting confused, write another extra step. 41 into 48 minus x. Next. Not equals. You forgot this minus x. Next. Hmm. Hmm. Minus. Okay. Why you're getting confused with equal to? Is it clear? And okay, now open the bracket. 41 into 48. How much is 41 into 48? Calculate. Okay, let me write it. Look here. 41 into 48. What's the answer? 1968. Let me write 1968. Then which one you have to multiply? Minus 41. Then multiply. Next. Right hand side. 19. Okay, next. Okay, arrange all the like terms towards one side. All the alphabets. We have minus. Okay, before that, what is minus 41 minus 48? Yes, minus 89 plus. Then try to shift even this. Here, what do you get? Okay, we'll do one thing. I'll write it step by step. 1968 minus 49. Here, 1980 minus into minus plus. No, no, add. Like terms. You get minus 91. Okay, how do you arrange them? Okay, you can write like that. Or 1 1980 1968, which is greater? See, I would suggest to bring all the alphabets to the left hand side. Okay, left hand side, Andrea. Minus 89x. Then which one goes to the other side? Plus. Next. Hmm, very good. Next. These two gets cancelled. What's the value? Minus 89 plus 21 plus 91 is. No, no, not 12x. 89, 91. How much is 91 minus 89? 2, right? 2x. 2x is equals to 12. X is equals to 6 is the answer. Understood? Okay. That's it. And the other things are same. Okay, you add, subtract, you can solve that. Fine, we'll end here. I'll send the paper by night, or if not tomorrow, I'll send the paper, complete and send it. Fine, and I have uploaded the recording. Go through that inequation chapter.